Cebu Island in the Philippines is known for its beautiful beaches, crystal clear blue seas, and world-famous diving spots. Surrounded by rich nature, it is a popular tourist destination where visitors can enjoy lush mountains and waterfalls. The island also offers a variety of activities, including tours of historical landmarks. Another major attraction is the warm hospitality of the friendly Filipino people. With its vibrant food culture, Cebu is a delightful tropical spot.
Jin! Uy! Manang panood to!
Oh, it seems that the video you were watching was actually a dream she was having. We would like to introduce our company, Philippine Kenko Corporation, which is based on the dreamy island paradise of Cebu. For 30 years, Philippine Kenko Corporation has operated 3 factories in Cebu Island, employing over 1,000 experienced workers. The company focuses on technological innovation and workforce development in earning trust from numerous businesses. Philippine Kenko Corporation specializes in OEM production across various fields, including rifle scopes, binoculars, and plastic components, while also offering high-quality printed circuit board assembly using surface mount technology. We provided integrated solutions from product development to manufacturing.
私たちは5つの強みを生かして OEM 製造をしています。5つの強みとは機械加工、レンズ研磨、プラスチック成形、基板実装、そして組み立てです。まずは機械加工です。光学製品に使用する金物加工設備が揃っております。熟練技術者がいるので難しい加工にも対応が可能です。次にレンズ研磨です。フィリピン健康が長年培ったノウハウで光学製品に使用するレンズ研磨とコートが可能です。そしてプラスティック成形、金型の設計から射出成形まで全てを自社で対応しており、複雑で精密な部品を製造することができます。基板実装については産業機器に使用する基板を設計から製造まで一貫して対応できます。最後に組み立てと検査です。すべての部品の品質や精度をしっかりチェックし、お客様が安心して使える製品をお届けします。
By establishing a base in the Philippines, our company can reduce costs. Due to the low labor and operational expenses, we're able to provide high-quality products at affordable prices. Moreover, the Philippines has plenty of young and motivated workforce with Japanese experts who can readily provide thorough guidance on site, ensuring reliability. Additionally, our factories are located in tax-advantaged area, offering further cost benefits. This allows us to deliver products that are both high in quality and cost-effective.